Hello, word listeners, and welcome. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm thrilled you're joining me today as we explore the wonderful world of English vocabulary. Today's word is entertainment. Let's dive right in. So, what exactly is entertainment? Well, it's a noun, and at a B1 level, it means fun activities like TV or games. It's anything that provides amusement or enjoyment. It's something that occupies our time and gives us pleasure. We often use the word entertainment to describe things we do to relax, have fun, or take our minds off stressful things. For example, watching a movie, playing a video game, going to a concert, or reading a book can all be forms of entertainment. In everyday language, you might hear someone say, "I'm looking for some entertainment this weekend." Or, "What kind of entertainment do you enjoy?" Now, let's explore some synonyms for entertainment. Synonyms are words that have similar meanings. One synonym for entertainment is amusement. You could say, "The theme park provided hours of amusement for the children." Another synonym is recreation. For example, hiking is a popular form of recreation in this area. A third synonym is enjoyment. We could say, "She found great enjoyment in painting." Another great synonym is leisure. An example of using leisure in a sentence is, "He spends his leisure time reading books." Finally, a good synonym for entertainment is diversion. The Magician's Act was a welcome diversion from the boring meeting. So, we've got amusement, recreation, enjoyment, leisure, and diversion, all words that share a similar meaning with entertainment. Now, let's look at some antonyms, words that have opposite meanings. An antonym for entertainment could be boredom. For example, the long wait at the airport induced boredom. Another antonym could be work. He dedicates most of his time to work, leaving little time for entertainment. Another antonym could be duty. She felt a sense of duty to complete the task rather than seeking entertainment. Another antonym would be responsibility. You could say, "His responsibility to care for his family left him with little time for entertainment." Finally, a relevant antonym is obligation. She felt an obligation to attend the meeting despite wanting to find entertainment elsewhere. So, boredom, work, duty, responsibility, and obligation are all words that contrast with the idea of entertainment. Let's explore how entertainment is used in everyday life. You might say, "The new movie is great entertainment." Or, "I need some entertainment after a long day at work." We also use it in phrases like entertainment industry, which refers to all the businesses that provide entertainment, such as movie studios, music labels, and video game companies. You can also use it to express your preference, like, "My favorite form of entertainment is reading." Another example is planning social activities. "Let's find some entertainment for the weekend." Finally, discussing hobbies. He considers gardening a form of entertainment. Let's solidify your understanding with some example sentences and phrases. The circus provided excellent entertainment for the whole family. She works in the entertainment industry. What kind of entertainment do you prefer on a rainy day? The book was pure entertainment from beginning to end. Modern technology offers a wide range of entertainment options. The comedian's jokes were a source of much entertainment. The town offers various forms of entertainment, from live music to art galleries. Access to entertainment has become much easier with the internet. The purpose of the game is to provide entertainment and challenge. The museum's interactive exhibits provided both education and entertainment. During the flight, passengers can choose from a selection of movies and music for their entertainment. Now that we've explored the definition, synonyms, antonyms, and usage of entertainment, let's recap. Entertainment, at AB1 level, refers to fun activities like TV or games, anything that provides amusement or enjoyment. We looked at synonyms like amusement, recreation, enjoyment, leisure, and diversion. We also considered antonyms such as boredom, work, duty, responsibility, and obligation. Finally, We explored how entertainment is used in everyday conversations and phrases. Thanks for joining me today on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode entertaining and educational. Before you go, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show. Also, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word entertainment and share it as a comment under this episode. I can't wait to read them. Happy learning, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.